Hi, sewing friends.
Hi, I'm Karina from liftingpinsandneedles.com. Welcome to this channel that is all about sewing, limitless sewing, and as you can tell, my mom's here.
Hello,
Surprise!
I'm Elsa.
You've probably seen her already on the channel in some opportunities. The last time she came to Brazil was in 2022, so this was more of a spontaneous trip. I was recently with them over there in Chile, and the weather is amazing here, so she's really enjoying the spring, and she's
That's it.
sort of escaped the freezing weather back home in Chile. So I've been planning a little bit of what I want to sew her. I usually get a lot more things done for her here because I have all my resources available and things rather than when I travel over there. So we've gone through a lot of my fabrics. She's had the full run, like to just open my wardrobe and look and pick her favorites. And so she's got a few here that she is going to show. And I'm not going to name specific patterns because I might change my mind, but I will name the type of garment that I'm making. Is the rest of a fabric that's left over. Look at this. This is a rayon and it's black with a little bit of polka dots and brown. My mom really liked the colors here and I've already cut it out. It's a dress you'll see tomorrow. So this is a plan that's already sort of been materialized, but she chose out of all my rayons, this is the one that she chose. And you're not seeing the whole full picture here because it's a border print. So it's gonna have a really nice special hem there. Nice little loose dress that she can wear with a belt. And so, yeah, that's coming. This is a broderie anglaise in a magenta color. Let me show you the embroidery up closer there. Is your favorite color?
My favorite color.
Yeah.
I love it.
Yeah. With this one, I'm gonna make a simple blouse, probably without sleeves. She wants something nice and fresh to wear over here, sleeveless. Something with dots, and yeah, it'll be pretty simple. There are actually some scallops here. They're very slight, so I'm gonna be cutting this one cross grain, and it's gonna be a nice simple make that she can wear like actually right now. These are 100% cotton, so it's gonna be perfect. Interrupting my mom's sewing plans to let you know about a sale that's happening today. And this is from Pattern Emporium. It's a Seachange jumpsuit. Now, I've had a sort of weird relationship to jumpsuits in the past. A couple of years ago, I've had some fails, and it was a type of garment that was hard for me to dip my toes into and really experiment and try. But I've had great success with a few, and this is one of them. It's only a jumpsuit for wovens that I've really enjoyed sewing and wearing, and it's so comfortable. It's got a narrow strap and a wide strap. Great coverage over here. You're not super exposed, and it can be a super loose fit, or you can put on ties. It can be short, it can be full length. And I've made 2 of them last year. I have a tutorial on the channel showing you how to sew it, and even a full sew along on Patreon. So it's one I've really enjoyed, and the fabric choices, yeah, I'm so happy. So if you've missed it out, I'm going to show you them modeled right now. I just did that at home so you can see what the features are and how they look. This is one of my Seachange jumpsuits from Pattern Emporium. It's such a lovely pattern. You just get into it from the bottom and the neckline fits over the hips perfect. I did the wide strap version. This is so colorful. It's a linen rayon blend. I do have ties here to bring in the waist and create some blousing. So beautiful. I've worn this one so much. I've even dressed it up to church with a blazer on top. It does look like a dress actually. At the back, I do have a facing with a slit, but I don't need to open that to be able to get into the jumpsuit. So you can also cut that facing on the fold. See, I love the coverage. This is not low. The coverage here is great. I don't feel exposed at all. It's super comfortable, and I can just slide in through here, no drama. This is so lovely, and this is the only woven jumpsuit pattern that I've really enjoyed so far. So I'm super happy with it. Highly recommend. It's great. It fits amazing. It's a great experience too. This is my second Seachange. This case, it's long, down to the floor, nice wide leg, flowy. This is a rayon 70%, linen 30% blend. It's beautiful, it's grayish, black and white. With this one, I don't have the ties. I've sewn in my own little tiny belt loops on the side and at the center back so I can wear a narrow belt like this one. Of course, you could always wear this loose, but I don't think I would ever wear something loose just because I want to. I prefer the waist shaping always. so nice. It's so easy to get dressed also because you just whip this out and you're done. So this is another alternative for the Seachange if you don't like the short one. With this one, I have the regular back facing that's on the fold, no slit, and I can get in just as well as the other one. Great coverage here as well. Maybe you would be inspired to sew it up and get it for half off. I'm going to leave my affiliate link at the top of the comment section and the description box. If you do end up purchasing through my affiliate link, I do receive a little commission and you don't pay anything extra for that. So it's one way that you can support what I do here on YouTube. Then we
The
have
next one.
this stripy one. My mom usually favors stripes and plaid or checks. She really likes that. And so this is one I had in my stash. This is a cotton rayon blend, which is hard to find. And it's just the softest, freshest little thing. So I'm going to make her a top with this one as well that she can wear right now. Sort of told her that it was cold here when she was planning her trip because it was. But then from one week to the next, it got really hot and now it's really hot. It's in the high 80s Fahrenheit-ish, 30 degrees-ish. So yeah. This one is a check. I've actually used it in the past to make myself a pair of pajamas. I'm gonna have to work on stripe matching here. I know what blouse I'm making, but I can't really say much because it's a pattern test from each to stitch. That's gonna come around in September. So when I sew that blouse, I'm gonna have a version for myself and a version for her. That blouse is gonna have some details on the bias and some bias tape made out of this. So I think it's gonna be super pretty. I'm gonna make a long sleeve version for her and a summer version for me. And this is your dream fabric, right?
Yeah. With jeans.
Ah, yeah.
With jeans.
With jeans. So we have a little joke because sometimes she likes some things I don't like. We don't have the exact same taste. And so she shows me something and I'm like, I don't like that. And she's always trying to fix it. She's like, but with jeans.
With jeans.
Yeah, so this is going to be more of a winter blouse for her. But the pattern isn't for winter, it's for whatever you want it to be. So that's nice. And it's going to be extra work because of the pattern matching and the bias cut pieces I want to do, but it's going to be fun. This one over here is 100% rayon.
This is lovely.
This is your favorite fabric, right?
Yep.
Like her top now is 100% rayon. When she buys
Same.
fabric, she's always looking for 100% rayon, lightweight, beautiful. So this is one that she chose from my stash, navy with a white at the back. Super nice. And this is going to be a shirt. I'm not sure what shirt yet, but some of the shirts, I'm always going to make a pattern that I've already made before because it's just easier for me to just, do it again. I'm going to cut it and print it out in her size. Of course, we don't wear the same size. If you're wondering what this gorgeous dress is, it's a Meet You There from Pattern Emporium. Made it in 2021, I think. Gorgeous rayon linen blend with a beautiful springy type of print. And yeah, it's comfy. I wear it all the time. I wear it around the house as well as to go out because it's just so comfortable. It's got tears, little ties, little bit of a bishop sleeve right there and a round neckline. It's gorgeous. So all of these were tops, right? But we're gonna make a skirt. So check out this denim. I've had this denim in my stash for years. It's really stretchy. It's like super stretchy, super comfy. So I'm gonna make her a denim skirt that she can just pull up, wide waistband, just pull it up. No zippers, nothing like that. But I'm gonna add on all the details, patch pockets, center front seams, all that stuff. It's probably gonna be the glissando from Love Notions. It's my favorite type of skirt to make in that style. And yeah, she's gonna love it. She's gonna wear it for years. This is realistically what I can do in a month, I think, because I have other things going on at the same time. But I really want her to take some of the things that I make with her back home in her suitcase. That's gonna be amazing for her and for me. And probably for you as well, because you get to see something different sizes and things. So how many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got 5 to make and the 6th one that I've already made. So it's like 1.5 projects a week for her and the rest are for me.
Thank you so much.
I hope this was a fun video for you. Different to the other ones I make. I usually don't make planned videos, but because I know I'm going to make these in a short period of time, they are going to be materialized. I am going to just put it out there that you're going to see this soon. Other plans I have going on behind the scenes, I don't usually share because I'm not actually sure sometimes, and I like to have that freedom of just deciding on the go what I'm doing. I'll see you again tomorrow with another video. Really excited about tomorrow's video. You're going to see my mom modeling her dress.
Me again.
And me as well. I've made, something for me. And it's going to have a lot of interesting sewing as well. So yeah, see you tomorrow.
See you soon.
Bye.